Welcome in, ladies and gents. So in today's video we're going to be looking at something very simple but can give you that little bit of an edge if somebody goes back and watch your Twitch VOD, and that's putting a thumbnail on your Twitch VOD. So let's get into it. So first off, we are going to have to make a thumbnail. I use Pixelx. It gives you something a little bit different. It's free, it's online. You can make some pretty good stuff. I am quite basic with it at the moment, but I'm still trying to develop. But if you've got things like Photoshop, etc., you can do it. So we'll just show you here. So this is, oh, we've zoomed in a bit too far. There you go. So this is the one we've got. We do have to save it as a PNG, but we're saving it as, it has to be under 1 meg. So it's generally, if you do it by 1280 by 720, that, as you can see here, keeps it under a meg, just there. Okay, so it keeps it under 1 meg. So once you've saved that, I've already saved it, so I'm not going to save it again. We click over to Twitch. We go over to our creator dashboard up in the top. We go to creator dashboard here. We go to content, video producer, and we're going to go to my latest one. So we just click on that. We're going to zoom out a second. So as you can see, it doesn't look overly appealing. If somebody wants to go back and watch a VOD, or go back to that VOD and check it out, it just doesn't look good. So we can go to here. We're going to add this one in we've just saved. I did save it before, and I realised I saved it as 1920 by 1080. So yeah, it wasn't ideal, but there we go. You can put a description in for the video if you want. If not, then we're just going to press save changes. This will now save that to the VOD, and then it just gives you a better, so compared to, let's just zoom in a sec. So compared to some, it just gives you that little bit of an extra, I don't know, it just gives you a better feeling for it. By the way, no copyright claims. Anyway, I don't know why. And you can obviously do them for all ones. You can't do it before the stream, unlike you can on YouTube, but you can do it afterwards. If you have, like, if you've got a consistent show, you can maybe put part 1, part 2, parts, so on and so forth, and add them on. But yeah, it's just a nice, quick, simple thing you can do, and I think it just gives you that little edge if somebody, excuse me, goes back and watches one of your VODs. On one of your previous VODs that are up there. So yeah, as for that, that's nice, quick, simple video. We'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.